Are you ready to start your trading journey but don't know where to begin? If you're in the UAE or any other country, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll teach you the exact process to open your Exness account and get it fully verified so you can start trading immediately. But before we begin, a very important warning. There are a lot of phishing links on the internet pretending to be Exness. To make sure you are on the official and secure website, please use the direct link I have provided in the description and the pinned comment. Only use that link to stay safe. Let's not waste any time and dive right in. As you click on this link, you will arrive at the official website of the Exness broker. After arriving here, what you need to do is click on register. As you click on it, it will take a little bit of loading. If it asks you for any CAPTCHA or such, you need to verify it. It takes a little bit of loading here, so you need to wait a little bit. After that, you will arrive on this page. After arriving here, first of all, what you need to do is you need to write your email here. Write it. After writing the email, what you need to do is you need to create your password here. Create it. The password should be 1 to 15 characters long and include both uppercase and lowercase letters, a number, and at least one special character. After setting the password, proceed by clicking on the partner code option. I will give you a code here. On the screen you will also see it, and you will also get this code in the description. Then put the code here, then tick on the checkbox. Then what you need to do is click on register. It will take some loading. After that, you will arrive on this page. Here, it will ask you if you want to create a demo account or if you want to create your real account. So if you want to create a demo account, you have to click on demo account. If you want a real account, you have to click on real account. I will click on real account here. After that, it will ask for your notification permission. If you want to give it, you can. If you don't want to give it, then don't. It doesn't matter. After that, your account is created, but here you cannot do deposits or anything yet. Here it is telling you to complete your profile. Okay. First of all, what you need to do is, if you want to create it for a specific country, like here is Pakistan. If you want to create it for the UAE, you need to select UAE. You have to select the country here for which country you want to create it. After that, what you need to do is click on complete. After that, it is telling you that you have to confirm your email, confirm phone number. After that, you have to provide some details of your profile. What you need to do is click on get started now. As soon as you click, there will be an OTP sent to your email. We will go to our email and check if we have received the OTP or not. Here you can see I have received the OTP from Exness. Here, you have to copy this OTP from here or remember it. Then, you have to come back to this page. After coming here, you have to write that OTP here. After writing, here it will automatically get confirmed. After that, you have to confirm your phone number. You have to click on confirm phone. It will ask for your phone number. So whatever phone number you have to write it here. Then, click on continue. After that, an OTP will come to your phone number. You have to write that OTP here. My OTP has arrived, so I will write it here. Then your phone number will also be confirmed. After that, the third step is to add profile information. So you have to click on complete now, and you will arrive on this page. Here you have to provide your first name, last name, date of birth. You have to provide your date of birth here. Then your country of birth. You have to select your nationality here. I will select Pakistan here. After selecting, you have to select your gender, male or female. Okay. After that, you have to provide your address below here. After giving, what you need to do is click on continue. After that, it will ask you, what is the purpose of opening your account? So here you have to tell for what reason you are opening your account. Of course, we want to invest, so I will select investment here. After that, click on continue. After that, your employment status will be asked. So you have to tell if you are a freelancer, select freelancer. Select your industry here, which industry you work in. Crypto exchange or whatever industry it is, you have to. I will select Forex education, so whatever your industry is, you have to select it, and whatever your employment status is, you have to select it. After selecting, click on continue. After that, it will ask for your source of income, so whatever your source of income is, you have to select that here. After selecting, you have to click on continue. Then it will ask for your wealth, so whatever it is, you have to select it here. Here I will select, for example, less than $5,000, so I will select this. After that, you have to click on continue. After that, annual income will be asked, so you have to select that too. After selecting, click on continue. After that, it will ask how much you want to invest on Exness, so you have to select that here. After selecting, click on continue. After that, it will ask you if you have any experience. So if you do, you have to select it here. If you don't, I will select it here. Like I don't, so click on continue. Here it will ask you if you have any experience in the trading market, so if you do, say yes. If you don't, you have to say no. After that, you have to click on continue here. It is asking for leverage, so I told it. Then click on continue. After that, it is asking some questions, so I told it. Then click on continue. You will arrive on this page. Here you will find 3 boxes. You have to fill them up. After filling them, click on submit. As you do, it will be written in front of you. Profile detail complete. Verify identity now. So you have to click on Verify identity now. After that, you have to upload one of your documents. Your name and country should be the same as the document you are uploading. The name and country should be the same. You have to click on Upload Documents. After that, it will ask for data use agreement. So here, all other countries except the one listed below, select this. After that, you have to click on Continue. You have to select your country. If you want to create it in the UAE, then you have to select UAE here. And below you have to select Emirates ID. You can verify with Emirates ID. I will select Pakistan here. Pakistan's national identity card, which I am going to scan, I will select it. After selecting, it will tell you the process below, how you have to scan. It should have all its corners. After that, you have to come down. You have to upload the front side. Here you have to upload the back side of your ID card. So let me quickly upload my ID card. So here I have uploaded my ID card. After uploading, what you need to do is click on Submit Document. After that, it will take some loading. Verify identity. So you have to wait here. After that, it will be written like this in front of you. Your documents are under review. It will take 3 to 7 minutes or it may take 24 hours, so you have to wait 3 to 7 minutes or 24 hours. What we have to do is close it. After closing here you can see, your identity has been verified. Now our account is created. Our identity verification is complete. You will click on the 3 lines and after clicking on the 3 lines, you will find the option for deposit, withdrawal, all options. After that, you can download the Exness application from the Play Store and use it, deposit also, and can do withdrawal. I hope you found the video helpful. In this video, I've shown you how to create your Exness account in 2026. If you have any questions or need clarification on anything, feel free to leave a comment below. You can also find my Telegram link in the description. Feel free to reach out to me there anytime. Thanks for watching.